The Safety Distance Manager system on the 500X, also referred to as Adaptive Cruise Control or ACC in the user manual, is a driver assistant device that combines the functions of cruise control with a function for controlling the distance from the vehicle in front. It uses a radar sensor positioned behind the front bumper and a video camera placed in the central area of the windshield. Two operating modes are available. Adaptive Cruise Control, to maintain a safe distance between vehicles. Electronic Cruise Control, to keep the vehicle at a constant preset speed. To change the operating mode and to deactivate the device, the user needs to use the corresponding buttons on the steering wheel. A message will then appear on the display. The device can be set with a speed above 30 km per hour and lower than 180 km per hour. The system cannot be used when the speed limiter and/or cruise control are active or when there is an obstruction in front of the radar sensor. To set the system, once the desired speed has been reached, proceed as follows. Press and release the Set Plus button or Set button. The display will show the set speed. Take your foot off the throttle. The set speed can be increased or decreased by pressing and holding the Set Plus or Set Minus buttons. Each short press of the Set Plus or Set Minus button increases or decreases the set speed by 1 km per hour. If the Set Plus or Set Minus button is pressed and held, the set speed increases or decreases at 5 km per hour intervals until the button is released. Variations to the set speed are shown on the display. When using the Drive Mode selector, if Sport Mode is selected, the Safety Distance Manager switches to Sport Mode and the system becomes more reactive when accelerating. When driving with the device set above a certain speed and one uses the left-hand direction indicator, the device provides an acceleration boost to facilitate the overtaking maneuver. To automatically maintain a safe distance in proportion to the vehicle's speed from the vehicle in front, the user can set the distance between the two cars as short 1 bar, medium 2 bars, long 3 bars, or maximum 4 bars by pressing the button on the steering wheel. When using the device for the first time, the default distance setting is 4 bars. Each time the user presses the button, the distance setting is reduced by 1 bar. Once the distance has been changed, the new distance will be stored, even after the system has been deactivated and reactivated. The car maintains the set distance until the vehicle in front accelerates to a speed above the set speed. The vehicle in front leaves its lane or the field of view of the sensor for the Adaptive Cruise Control device. The distance setting is changed. The Adaptive Cruise Control is activated, deactivated. The maximum braking pressure exerted by the device is limited, which means that the device is not capable of stopping the car. If the device detects that the braking force applied is insufficient to maintain the set distance, a dedicated message is shown on the display and an acoustic warning sounds. In this case, it is recommended to brake immediately in order to stay at a safe distance from the vehicle in front. The device is deactivated and the set speed is cancelled if the Adaptive Cruise Control button is pressed, the Electronic Cruise Control button is pressed, the Speed Limiter button is pressed, the starter device is turned to stop. Greater comfort and drive safety. A safe distance from the car in front is maintained in all traffic conditions.